Hello guys, today I am showing you what I am feeding my budgies. Okay, switch on the lights, there we go. Okay, now there we go. There is my budgies food I've been feeding. Look, budgies food, and you can see there are budgies picture too. Full white, full yellow budgie, like the flown away budgie, chinku, whatever. And these two blue budgies, okay, with black spots, of course, okay. Perfect variety of seed mix, healthy diet for birds. Okay, this is only for budgies. You can see there, that is the food, whatever. That is the food, right? I will show you. Okay guys, my mother was calling me, okay, by clapping and doing this. Shh. There are mistakes in the video, but the video is coming along perfectly and galti ho raha hai video mein. But still you know what I'm saying. There are the budgies food, you can see. We put little bit every day. See, budgies food. And then what's this? I don't know what that. 100 natural milks. I don't know about that. No practice and colors. That's very good to hear. Now I will show you, then you will know if it's matching or not. See guys, it's the matching, right? Look, Tinku is eating the budgies food because he is a budgie. Look, he is eating. Tinku is eating the budgies food. Now I'll show you the birds food, whatever, again. The packet, of course. Let's do it, guys. Okay, everyone. Here is the budgies food again. You can see it's the same. It's food for me. It's food for me. Quack, 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 quack. No! It's not the food for you. What? Yeah, it's my budgies food. Wait, let me see. There we go. Oh, yeah, it's not penguin's food. It's budgies food. You are right, Darsh. Yeah, see? I was right. Budgies food. Then it's really budgies food. Oh, today you're smelling nice, and you're clean today. What about the nice rabbit? She's over there. He's over there. Watch her. Watch him. Oh, you're so clean than before. Yeah, I'm pretty clean right now. Oh my god. You're all wet. Yeah. You are enjoying in the washing machine? Yeah. Okay then. But you are getting dizzy, everyone, right? Yeah, I do get dizzy. Then okay. Hey. Okay. That was my budgies food. If you want to buy these food, if you have some budgies, if you want to buy this food, buy it in Jasola Pet Shop. You can also search it in maps. Bye everyone. This food is not for you. Oh, sorry.